In the heart of Willow village, where mud houses rested beside golden fields and tall banyan trees whispered in the wind, evenings were always calm. One night, as the sun melted into orange and purple shades, the village lights suddenly went out. Darkness spread like a soft shadow, and people gathered near the old well, worried and silent. A young boy named Arav stood there, holding a small wooden lantern his grandfather had made. Arav loved watching the village from the hilltop, imagining it like a living 3D world, fields glowing, homes breathing, and people moving like gentle stars. Seeing the fear around him, he decided to act. Arav climbed the narrow path to the hill and raised his lantern high. The warm light reflected on the water canals, the clay walls, and the village paths. Slowly, others followed him, bringing lamps, candles, and torches. From above, the village began to shine again, each light connecting like threads in a glowing pattern. The darkness didn't feel scary anymore. Children laughed, elders smiled, and the night turned peaceful. From that day on, Willow Village kept lanterns ready, not just for light, but as a reminder that even a small spark, when shared, can brighten an entire village. And every evening, as the sun set, the village glowed alive, warm, and full of hope.